I feel like a drink. A lemonade would suffice.
I think you've had one too many lemonades, dude.
What are you talking about?
Your friend has a point.
You can cook?
Indeed I can.
So, what are you trying to tell us?
To try something different, like Fanta, Mountain Dew, or even Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
That sounds surprisingly delicious.
Great. Now, in order to get it, you have to...
What happened?
It must have been a fever dream.
You know what? That's something that's not up for debate. Now, to get a drink.
Oh, not again.
Meanwhile, in an alternate dimension...
All our food keeps blowing